In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links in Slack messages. This is a quick skill, but it makes your messages much clearer and more professional, especially when you're sharing websites, documents, or tools with your team. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Slack and go to the conversation where you want to add your link. This can be a channel or a direct message. In the message box at the bottom, you'll want to type the text that you want people to click on. For example, instead of pasting a long, messy URL, you might type something like, visit our website, or view the project brief. This text is what will become the clickable link, so make it descriptive enough that people know what they're about to open. Once you've typed your text, the next step is to highlight it. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the words, or use your keyboard to select them. You'll know it's highlighted when the text is shaded. This tells Slack that this is the part of your message you want to turn into a link. Now look just above the message box for the formatting toolbar. This is where you'll see icons for bold, italics, lists, and so on. Find the link icon, which looks like a small chain link. Go ahead and click that icon while your text is still highlighted. If you don't see the toolbar right away, try clicking inside the message box, or expand any formatting options if they're collapsed. After you click the link icon, a small pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you'll see a field labeled link or something similar. Click into that field and paste the URL you want people to go to. You can paste any valid web address here, such as a website, a shared document, or a specific page in a tool your team uses. Before you confirm, quickly glance over the URL to make sure it's correct and complete. When you're ready, click Save in the pop-up, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Your highlighted text should now appear as a clickable link, usually underlined or in a different color. At this point, you can keep typing the rest of your message or just send it. When someone clicks that text in Slack, they'll be taken directly to the link you added.